Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, you're going.
Oh, my bad. Hey guys, I'm Patty. This is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Still trying to get used to this camera. Today we are making my southern tomato gravy. So let's get started. Tell you what I got going on here. I've got 4 tablespoons of butter. In a real southern world, we would have bacon grease, but I don't have any bacon or bacon grease right now. So we're using butter and stirring it. Alright, here I have a small onion that's finely chopped. Some people add onion to it, some don't. As far as oil goes, you know, I use the 4 tablespoons of fat, 4 tablespoons of flour, and usually 2 cups, but liquid. Alright, so what I'm wanting to do is, I'm not going to really have to work with these too much because they're so finely chopped. Alright, now I'm going to add on top of that 4 tablespoons of flour. I am using all-purpose, but it really doesn't matter. I want to add some salt and some pepper. Now what I want to do is I want to brown this. I had to put a little bit more flour than I should have, but that's alright, it'll work out. So all I'm going to do right now is I'm not going to make y'all sit here and watch this brown, but I'll bring you back when it's brown and we'll do the next step. Alright, I did add another tablespoon of butter to this, but I don't really want this too brown because it doesn't matter, it's going to turn red regardless. Alright, I have a 14.5-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes, but...
Turn the can.
Oh, sorry, I don't believe...
No, not lower the can. Just turn the can. Now you disappeared. You're way away from me.
See the name.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to see the name. Whatever. What?
Alright, we'll pour that in.
You go back to cooking. Go ahead.
I don't care if it is your birthday.
My birthday. Yay.
And here I've got a cup of chicken broth that I made with my Norpolo. We might do a little over a cup. Now all I'm wanting to do here is just let this thicken up. Alright, I'm going to cover this, turn it down a little bit, and let it thicken up, and we'll bring you back.
Okay.
Alright, I've let this thicken up. I've got a 1/4 cup of half and half I'm going to add. And I've tasted it and it's seasoned perfectly to my taste. I've got about a tablespoon of butter I'm going to put on to finish it. And the next time you see me, we'll be over at the bar plating everything up. I've got a heck of a supper today. Today's Tony's birthday and I'm feeding well. Alright guys, see you shortly. Alright guys, everything's done. Like I said, I don't know if I told y'all or not because I'm shooting 3 different videos. Today's Tony's birthday and this is his birthday dinner that I'm not fixing his plate. Alright, I got some of my grits. Here's my tomato gravy. Got some crackling cornbread. I'm making a mess out of. I've got some fried catfish. A whole lot. And some Instant Pot collard greens. I drain all this as much as I can off here. Alright guys, this was our tomato gravy, but I made it into our dinner, added to our dinner. Alright, everything is done. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Leave me a comment. Give me a big thumbs up. Share it out on social media. I really enjoy everyone. When you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Alright guys, supper's ready. See y'all later. Bye.